Yo, what's up guys? In this tutorial we will learn how to make this really cool looking metal text effect in After Effects, and it's super easy and we don't need any plugins at all. So yeah, I'd say let's just go. So let's go into our new composition and first of all add a text, of course, and I'll just type in easy again and press S on the keyboard to scale this up to whatever you like. And then you can go to the right and search for the Align tab and just align it horizontally and vertically so it's right in the center. And if you can see the Align tab, you can check the window setting here and make sure the Align tab is selected. And just center it and let's add some effects. So let's start with the most important one, which is the CC glass effect, which you can find under Stylize, and just apply it, of course. And as we can see, this doesn't look like metal at all. So let's change a few essential settings. So first of all, decrease the softness to 10 and increase the height to something like 65. And also let's increase the displacement to 150. And if we zoom in, we can already see this looks kind of cool. And we can also animate this a little bit first of all by animating the light direction. So we can just open up light and place a keyframe at the beginning and then go to the end and just put something like 2 in here. So we can see we have a little bit of movement going on, and I think this looks really cool. But I also like to give this thing a noise effect so this doesn't look too clean, if you know what I mean. So I'll just apply the noise HLS auto effect and put the lightness to something like 10%. And this is up to you. If you prefer the clean look, you can just not use this one, but I don't know why. I think this looks way cooler. But we can also give it some color if you like by adding a gradient ramp, which you can find under generate, and just apply it. And let's first of all select the effect and bring down the points here right to the bottom and upper half so we can actually see the whole gradient. And let's give it some nice colors. I'll just go with a light blue and light green color gradient, just like this. And let's also put something like 80% in the blend with original setting so we can see through this gradient. Or let's actually put in something like 60%. And I think this looks really cool. But we can also give it this line sweep animation, the light sweep animation that we have seen in this example. This light thing that goes from the left to the right. So let's do this real quick. And the effect is called light sweep, as I said. So we can just search for it. It's under generate. So let's just apply this one. And as we can see, we get this nice light effect. So let's go to the beginning of our animation and bring it to the right and keyframe the center. And then go forward like 2 seconds and just bring this right to the right, just like this. Then let's go 2 seconds further to 4 seconds and just bring this back, and to 6 seconds and bring it to the right again. And you can see where this is going. We just want to have this light sweep going back and forth. So now we have this, it will take some time to pre-render, but now we'll have this cool animation where this will just go from left to right and back. And we can also maybe increase the brightness to something like 100 and play around with the other settings, like maybe decreasing or increasing the intensity of the sweep. But this is entirely up to you to play with all these settings. And there's no right or wrong, so just do what you think looks cool. And now we're already done with this one, and I hope you enjoyed this, so see you next time.